Seems like, Amber, we talk about this almost every day on the news, students and their mental health. Now, two Connecticut congresswomen introduced federal legislation that would help address the need for more mental health counselors in our schools.
That's right. NBC Connecticut's Braceda Landaverde joining us live from Waterbury with more details on that. Hi, Braceda.
Hey, Amber. So the legislation has received bipartisan support. Now, the goal is to provide schools with more funding so they could retain and recruit more mental health professionals. High school junior Nadina Bajasine knows firsthand how crucial the help of a counselor can be.
I was working like hours a day on homework, and I didn't really take any time for myself. And I needed my guidance counselors to step in and tell me I needed to take a step back from everything.
While struggling with mental health and schoolwork, she got help from a counselor and made a game plan.
I wouldn't be where I am today, and I think every student should be able to have access to resources like that.
The junior spoke on the importance of new bipartisan legislation that would help hire more mental health counselors in schools. The bill was introduced by Congresswoman Rosa DeLauro and Congresswoman Johanna Hayes.
What it means is that there will be grants available to schools to be able to hire the mental health professionals.
Congresswoman Hayes says the funding would be distributed on a need basis.
The district that has higher needs would get higher funding. A district who may not have as significant needs will not get as much funding or will get a different type of funding.
Hayes, who was a former teacher, knows exactly how important it is to have help available for students within the school building.
One of the darkest days for me as a teacher was having to call an ambulance to have my student placed on a 72-hour medical hold.
The superintendent for Waterbury Public Schools says having additional counselors would help current staff with their workload, as well as provide more one-on-one opportunities with students.
Someone that could be more accessible, reducing the caseload of our current staff to be able to provide more in-person responses and interaction with students. I think those are the critical needs.
Now, the amount of funding that each school would receive is still being determined. Live in Waterbury, Braceda Landaverde, NBC Connecticut News. Amber, will send it back to you.